Alright guys, today we are going to do a repair on a recoil for an RECOIL pb2520 blower. Any of the tools, I'm going to be using a stihl tool to take the recoil off. Any of the parts, like the complete recoil, whatever you'll need for this job will be in the description below. You see it's not engaging. So we're going to pull it apart, and this rope's a little loose, so we're going to pull it apart and see what's happening. First thing we're going to do is take off the recoil, T27. It's on the stihl tool. I'll put that in the description. They're super cheap. There's 2-3 bolts. Take them all off. Get them out. Pull this straight off. Oh, nice and stuck. Oh, there we go. Dog ear's stuck. Alright, so this is a dirt issue. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to spray it out. Clean. Get all the dirt out from in there. I bet it's the same problem on the recoil. And then I'll use a little bit of diesel fuel to help lube it up a little bit. This is just diesel fuel. Put a little bit in there. Works really well. Lubes it right on up. Look, that's working fine now. I'll put this in the, this is called a pawl. I'll put this in the description below. We're probably having the same issue in this. So we're going to drench it down really good with carb cleaner. And then we're going to pull this rope in and out a bunch of times to help clean out the spring. It's already trying to go in all the way. Look at this mud. So that's just full of dirt. We'll do that a few times, 2-3 times, and then we'll fill it with diesel. Starting to go all the way in. Then we're going to put a bunch of diesel in there. Lube it up, pull it in and out a bunch of times. The rope is pulling all the way back in. It's going right back in, no problem. We're going to go ahead, put this back on. This is actually a pretty simple repair. I'll see if I can find this complete recoil as well. They usually sell these on Amazon super cheap as well. So this, the pawl, and you're ready and set to go. I'll put them in the description below. Put the T27s in. This is actually a quick and easy video. 3 of them. Sometimes it's just that simple, folks. Tighten them all down. Alright, so this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, message me. I'd be more than happy to have a sponsor. Today's t-shirt will be in the description below as well. Peace.